Good afternoon and welcome to We Repair. So today I'm working on another Samsung Galaxy Tab. This is an S series. I think it's Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 to be specific. I think it'll be quite clear quite immediately what the problem is. There's no visible signs of damage to this device, but it clearly has got a damaged LCD. The exact model is an SM-P619. It is a bit grubby, it has been well used. This was another £30 eBay purchase. So today we're just going to go do a quick run through and replace the screen. I've been assured by the seller it is unlocked and there is no account on here, so this should be a really open and shut situation. So without further ado, I'm going to get this heated up and we'll run through the repair on it, and it hopefully won't take very long. Right, so this is now hot. It's just touchable, which is how we want it. As always, I'm going to start this with a little bit of a blade just to get under the screen, and then I'm going to switch over to something that's less likely to cause damage. So just literally want to put it on just a couple of millimeters to get it started. That is all, and then I'm going to switch over to my trusty plectrums as I always do. So this is going to cool down pretty quickly, so we do need to work quite fast. Again, just being careful around any lenses or cameras or sensors that you're aware of. I don't know what the adhesive is like on these because I've not worked on these before. But hopefully, if it's anything like the other Samsung tablets, it shouldn't be too bad. I don't know how thick the adhesive is. It does feel like it's possibly quite thick, but it is actually coming away quite nicely, saying that. So I'm going to get another slightly thicker plectrum in here now. Now this is an assembly, so it's LCD and digitizer as one, not two separate bits. I don't know where the cable is underneath because I've not taken one of these apart before, but I'm assuming it's going to be much the same as the other ones. It'll either be on the bottom, middle, or on the side. I think it is on the bottom by the looks of what I've just seen. And we'll just work up here. If you lose your place, it's fine. Just come back and go back to where you were. It should just go. Right. There we are. Okay. Okay, so it's a bit like the A series tablets, where the board is under the other side of this. So that's fine. It's not a problem. Let's just take these off to one side. So what we're going to have to do is take this off and then disconnect this, which is just going to be a little clip job, and then just remove it. Simple as that. So that's our screen. As I say, it's all an assembly, so it comes with LCD, touchscreen, all as one. So that's how the new one will come. And I'd imagine we might need some tape off that. To get into this tablet further, by the looks of things, I would say you're going to have to unscrew these screws around the edge, and that will either drop the back away or it will lift out. But I'm not going to explore that today because I'm only doing the LCD. So let's get the new one fitted and we'll go from there. So as you'll see, these are our new screens. We do need to do a transition of a few bits. This board here needs to be transferred across. I don't know how easily that's going to come off. We might have to heat things up a bit. And we need to move these flex cables and things. So let's crack on and get that done.
top.
Just like that. Let's slide that out of the way because we don't need that anymore, and bring this one back in. And then the first thing we're going to do is give this a tester.
Just a bit.
So the thing that we're going to do then, this cable is going to fold back on itself. I'm just going to slot this into here. Again, making sure the line lines up. This is the point at which I find that there's no charge in this tablet now. Oh no, I think we're okay. Okay. It comes on, I see the backlight come on for about 3 seconds and then go back off again. So let's grab a charger and see if it charges. So what do we reckon? Is this going to charge or not? Are we going to see signs of life? Moment of truth. Oh, we have a charge symbol. I don't know if that comes up on camera, but that is a brilliant sign. So I'm going to let this charge for a while, and we'll see, hopefully, if it comes to life. As long as it does, then the next step will be to fix the screen in properly, and we're good to go. Let's see if this thing will now turn on. And hopefully it will, and we're all good. Moment of truth. Just want to give the touch screen a quick test, and then assuming that is working, then we will get the screen fully fitted. There we go. Oh, I didn't think we were working from it then. Skip that for the moment. I think we're good. I think that looks absolutely fine. The touchscreen is working. I obviously can't test it fully until I set the tablet up, but I'm going to consider that a working tablet. Let me just give this a quick power off. Cool, happy with that. So next thing we're going to do, we'll just get this fitted properly now. So I'll take it off charge, and then I'll leave the screen attached actually, that's not going to hurt. So the next thing I'm going to do, I've pre-adhesived this screen already, so I just need to remove the adhesive backing around the edge here. So if you ever wanted to know what I use to stick these screens down with, I use this, not this version of it, I use the ultra sticky double-sided stuff, and when you stick it, when you use heat with it as well, it holds the screens really well, and they don't generally come off. So I'm thoroughly impressed with the product. I also have some proper glue that I use for these screens as well to set them solid, that I will show you in a future video. So that is that screen in. Let's just give it a quick work around the edges. Just make sure it's nice and well stuck. And there we go. Simple as that. Let's just get that now. Cool, really pleased with that. There we go, simple as. So yeah, hopefully you found that useful as well. If you have, please drop me a like, leave me a comment, ask any questions if you want me to run through the screen repair again. If you want me to see a teardown of this one, I've got another one of these as well that's in a similar state, so I'm happy to do a teardown, and we can go through how to get to the battery and things. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.